Boss, I have an ex 3 years ago and then nag-break sila nang pinalit niya sa akin November last year. At nagkaroon kami ng communication ulit ngayon at nagawa pa namin mag-travel pa LU. May nangyari din sa amin doon. And then kinausap ko siya about sa na-feel ko na mahal ko pa siya at gusto ko na maging kami ulit. Same daw kami ng feelings pero di pa raw siya ready kasi di pa siya fully healed. Ano po ma-advise niyo, boss? Alam mo, nangyari dito, Sigarilyo, na-pressure sa'yo yung babae. Kasi nag-confess ka kagad ng feelings mo sa kanya eh. Lagi ko na lang sinasabi dito sa channel na getting exclusive is in the women's department na. Sila dapat yung magbibigay ng subtle hints sa inyo na gusto na nilang makipag-exclusive sa inyo. Ngayon, ang nangyari, ikaw yung unang nagsabi sa kanya na mahal mo pa siya. Pero tingnan mo, sinabi din niya sa'yo na same kayo ng feelings. Pero, hindi pa raw siya ready kasi hindi pa raw siya fully healed. Actually, that's her way of telling you na, hey bro, you're moving too fast. Teka lang, slow down, back off a bit. So what am I getting at here? What I'm trying to say is, yes, may pag-asa ka pa sa kanya. Kaso, you confess your feelings kagad sa kanya, so naturally, she will back off. Kasi na-pressure na siya eh. The moment na nag-confess ka sa kanya, it immediately communicated with her na you want to lock her down in a relationship. Sana ang ginawa mo na lang dito, Sigarilyo, is just keep it simple. Have fun, hang out, and hook up until such time that she will fall in love with you again. And when that happens, siya na mismo ang magbibigay sa'yo ng mga hints na gusto na niya makipagbalikan sa'yo or gusto na niya makipag-exclusive ulit sa'yo. Remember, let the women come to you. So what you should do right now is to let her breathe a little and give her time and space. Go no contact na muna sa kanya, like say 5 to 7 days. And when I say no contact, I meant no contact talaga ha. Then after 5 to 7 days, you can actually ask her out on a date na. Kung pumayag siya, and then yeah, it means that her attraction for you is still high enough to make this work. Kaya ako sinasabing mag-no contact ka muna sa kanya kasi at this point, you pursued too much na sa kanya. Masyado ka na naghabol. Kaya naturally, women will pull away if men do this. Kaya ako in-advise sa'yo na mag-no contact ka muna is to give her space and time to think about you. Because when women think about you, tumataas yung attraction level nila para sa'yo. And you can only do that by being absent in her life for a while. You know what they say, sabi namang in-check, the heart grows fonder through absence. And that is very true. Actually, meron pang isang scenario na pwedeng nagaganap dito eh. It could be the reason why she agreed to go with you to LU is because her emotions right now are very, very raw. Kaka-break up pa lang niya kamo, diba? Women like this are very hot and cold pa. They could be having sex with you this night, and then the next day, parang huyo ka na sa kanila. Totoo yan. Nangyari na din kasi sa akin yan. 1 week, she was really into me, and then the next week, she ghosted me. I was like, huh? Anong nangyari, Lutz? Then later on, I found out that she got back with her ex na pala. Now, this scenario is very, very possible. But whatever the scenario is, you should still do the same thing. Try to ask her out on a date after a week. If she declines your invite in 2 consecutive different occasions, walk away na. Move on ka na. But if she accepts your invite, then yeah, pwede pa natin maisalba yan, Sigarilyo. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo and makiki-follow na lang din sa FB tsaka sa IG page ko. Also, sa YT channel ko, makikisubscribe na lang din doon. And I'll see you again next time. Cheers!